that much. That much lion's mane. Go ahead, turn this on. Olive oil. So we're just gonna pick the pieces apart. And you can see they pick apart like crab. See that? See how they pick apart like crab? These have a lot of moisture in them. I'm putting some Old Bay sauce, Old Bay seasoning. That I'll cook all the moisture out of it. Let the liquid cook out of it. That's good. We're gonna let that liquid cook out of it because it was a little moist. I just added some mushroom seasoning, give it a little bit more flavor. I'm gonna blend down some seaweed chips. I had to put them in the air fryer because they got a little moist. So I have to dehydrate them so they go back crispy again. And this seaweed chips is going to give me that seaweed flavor, so that's why I just throw it in there. That's going to start my. Add some oyster crackers. Oyster crackers going to give me the breading that I need. I'm going to go in. That's going to make my mixture. So I'm going to mix that with the seaweed. Okay, mixing my seaweed and my crumbs together. Been letting it cook to get the moisture out, and I think it's about ready. I don't have any fresh lemon, but I have some lemon juice, so I'm going to put that in there. What I'm going to do right now is just start adding in my lion's mane to the cracker, all the yummy bits. The cracker should absorb the moisture. Let me taste this.